Bariatric gelatin trick recipe. What's in it? Does it work? Can it really make you lose weight fast? Let's check. You've probably seen videos like this. A celebrity, a TV doctor, a fitness expert. They claim there's a magic bariatric gelatin trick that drops weight fast. Easy to make. Kitchen ingredients. Celebrities use it before bed. Amazing, except they never show the recipe. They just repeat, it's simple. It melts fat. Doctors hate it. The weight loss industry is scared. Then they tell you to click the link for the next page. All right, let's click. Now you land on a page pretending to be real news, usually CNN Health or some fake medical outlet. Big headline. Dr. Jennifer Ashton reveals a 30-second bariatric gelatin trick. Harvard experts shocked. Metabolism reactivated. It looks real. Media logos, a video, comments, news site layout. But look closer. First red flag. The top says CNN Health. The address bar says, absolutely not CNN. It's some random domain. That's the scam wearing a fake mustache. Next, the menu links. Most do nothing or reload the same page because this is not a news site. It's a sales trap. Then the logos, New York Times, CBS, ABC, Fox, CNN. Looks impressive, but they're just images. No links, no real articles, no proof. Same with the comments. Down 9 pounds already. She's a genius. I saw this on TV. Looks like Facebook. Acts like a screenshot. You can't open profiles. You can't like, reply, sort, or add a comment because it's not a comment section. It's a prop. Then buried at the bottom, the fine print ruins the act. Not evaluated by the FDA. Not meant to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent disease. Results not guaranteed. Names may be changed. Not medical advice. At the top, biggest breakthrough in 30 years. At the bottom, please don't sue us. None of this is real. Beautiful, but the main bait is the video. Sometimes it's Dr. Jennifer Ashton, sometimes it's Jillian Michaels, sometimes it's Dr. Gupta, sometimes it's pink gelatin, 3 ingredients, secret jelly, miracle gummies. Different faces, same machine. The video promises the recipe again and again. Stay until the end. The recipe is coming. Don't click away. Just 10 more seconds. Somehow 10 seconds turns into 10 minutes. Funny how that works. There's often a fake progress bar. At first it moves fast, then it slows down because it's not there to help you. It's there to keep you trapped. And after all that, what do you get? Not a recipe, a checkout page. Suddenly the homemade gelatin trick becomes pills or gummies. Maybe VitaliSlim, maybe ShapeOn, maybe JellyThin. The names change, the script doesn't. They claim it contains the full formula, the concentrated recipe, the best part of the trick. Translation, don't make anything. Buy this. Then come the trust badges. GMP certified, FDA approved, 100% natural, made in USA, non-GMO. Click them, nothing. No certificates, no lab reports, no FDA page, just pictures pretending to be proof. Then there's scientific references. Looks serious. Studies about weight loss, metabolism, gelatin, GLP-1. But those studies are not about VitaliSlim, not ShapeOn, not JellyThin, not whatever bottle they're selling today. They're general studies glued onto a sales page. That's not evidence. That's costume jewelry for a scam. That's the pattern. The product changes, the page changes, the celebrity changes, the fake news logo changes, but the ending is always the same. There is no bariatric gelatin recipe that melts fat in 30 seconds. There is a funnel built to sell supplements. Now, what about the famous people? Dr. Jennifer Ashton, Jillian Michaels, Dr. Gupta. Did they really recommend this? No. Their faces and voices are being misused. These videos are stitched together from real clips, old interviews, TV segments, random footage, then scammers add AI voices, edited audio, or fake narration. That's the trick, not gelatin, deepfakes. The people in these ads did not say these lines. They did not create these recipes. They did not endorse these pills or gummies. Dr. Jennifer Ashton, Jillian Michaels, and Dr. Gupta have warned that scammers use their name, image, and voice to push fake supplements and miracle weight loss products. So when you see a doctor or celebrity saying a gelatin trick will reactivate your metabolism and burn fat effortlessly, here's the real recipe. Close the page. That's it. The bariatric gelatin trick does not exist. It will not make you lose weight fast. The celebrity endorsements are fake. The news pages are fake. The comments are fake. The badges are fake. and the recipe is just a sales funnel. Check the URL, don't trust fake logos, don't buy the miracle in a bottle.